Welcome to EcommPremium. If you are also worrying about that why your URLs are not indexing in Google automatically, then don't worry. You simply have to go to your Google Search Console and see where the pages are not indexed and go to currently not indexed pages, and you have to select the page that you think is not yet indexed into Google, and from there simply go and click on it, the URL, then inspect the URL. After inspecting the URL, you have to see that it is on Google or not, or indexed or not. So you will see this option like here, like this. You see URL is not on Google. It was last crawled on 26th of September and today is 18th of November. And then you have to test live URL here in your Google Search Console. After clicking testing live URL, it will take less than 1 minute and you will have the results with you in front of you, that how Google is considering this URL, this page for you guys. So after looking at the result, it will show us that this is available to Google or not. And yes, don't try to request again and again. Here you see URL is available to Google. The page availability, video discovery, all things are eligible, mobile usability, and then at the end you have to simply click once here, request indexing, and don't do this thing again and again, most probably less than 3 days, and then your link will be automatically indexed to Google search engines. Thank you for watching, and if you also want to make $1 million through search engine optimization with Shopify dropshipping, then here is the video for you guys at the end. Thank you. Bye bye.